What are you, blind? Why, you don't see there's a line? I've been standing here a half hour already. You get to just walk in? Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck you like.
I know. I'm taking cuts.
Is that supposed to be funny? You see anyone here laughing, Sheriff?
You see how much I'm caring? Fucker.
Accuse me of impropriety. Yes, I see. Because you are the one bringing this to me, Miss Snow. The one who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I do.
Don't interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around here. This is a disaster.
It isn't anyone's fault. Instead of trying to assign blame, maybe we should figure out how to catch the fucker who did this.
Oh, is that how you see things? Sheriff, you are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Fabletown. Your failure to do so cost someone their life and the safety of the entire community.
Okay, I'm supposed to just hover over everybody.
Something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing.
The woodsman is a person of interest. From what we've been able to gather, he was last seen with the victim.
The woodsman? That drunk wretch was the cause of this?
It's a lead. Nothing's certain yet.
Well, find him. Get him in here if that's all you have to go on. You two need to get a handle on this situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fabletown knowing there's a killer amongst us. Snow.
Yes? Sir?
Call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I will.
Pack massage.
Where is the bottle of wine you were to purchase? Oh, bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right. Do your job, Sheriff, or we'll find someone who can.
You know what?
Stop. We'll get on it right away, sir.
What a cocksucker.
You would have just pissed him off more.
No shit.
Right.
Well, that could have gone better. Well, I guess I should have listened to you and waited.
Yeah, you should have.
Say I told you so.
You don't have to say it. It would have been better to have more to offer. Get our ducks in a row.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said it, you dumbass.
Oh, Crane doesn't like people smoking and...
Oh, because you see all the
Never
hair
mind.
on my face.
Smoke away.
Who gets a massage this early?
Crane. It doesn't really matter the time of day. A mere scent of stress and he's out the door.
What a pussy.
Is he gone?
Yes, thankfully. Buffkin!
Hello, Miss Snow.
Drinking? This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
Then don't you think it probably belongs to him?
Maybe.
I think that's a yes.
How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
Aren't you a friendly little monkey?
It hasn't been a great morning, Buffkin.
Sorry.
Not your fault. Thanks for asking, though.
Buffkin, get the books.
Which books?
The ones with all the fables in it.
Not sure that was any more specific.
Bring the first 3.
Be back in a few minutes.
You remember, I wasn't being a
He
dick
knows
to
the
him.
ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here. Somewhere. We'll at
Okay.
least be able to get her real name from the books whenever Buffkin finds them. In the meantime, poke around. Maybe the mirror can help.
Okay.
I really have to get this appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything.
Appointment.
Hello, Vivian? Hi, this is Snow White.
Magic lamps are pretty much just lamps, after the genie's been freed.
Okay. Is there a genie in it?
That's right.
He can make my wish come true.
Worth a try.
Yes, it was.
Yes, I mean... record right here. Give me one moment.
Tarot cards. Jack brought them back from Appalachia. Who knows where they were before then? Or what he did to get them.
Well, that's not what I have here. I can
Jack
look through it
who?
again.
Strength. I guess it comes in all forms.
I'll be sure to let him know.
It's depressing.
Damn. Just what the fuck is this supposed to mean?
That's the one you decide to keep? It makes sense. Oh, no more. But I can keep looking at the desk. Alright.
Hey, magic mirror. I got a question.
You know the rule.
I don't have time for this shit.
Your impatience is callow. You're needlessly cruel, but have some respect for our history and rules.
Mirror, mirror. If you're able, tell me all about this fable.
See? Was that so hard?
Yeah, I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
There's no need for that. Fine. Of which fable do you wish to know?
Show me the woodsman. Where is he?
What you see is complete. The woodsman stumbles down a street.
No shit. Which street?
I'm sorry, Bigby. I can only show you what can be seen.
Show me Buffkin. Hey! Put down the bottle and get to work.
Still looking!
What a drunk little monkey.
Show me Snow White.
Not
pretty
much
hot.
of a request. She's in this very room.
I know, I just want a different angle. She's hot.
Show me Buffkin.
Is he drinking again?
Hey! Put down the bottle and get to work.
Still looking!
Yeah.
I don't know her name. Not yet, anyway.
Well, until you do, I can't help you.
Fine.
Nobody right now.
Very well. Please return should you wish to ask about someone else. Or someone new.
Okay. Oh, here he comes. The drunk monkey.
Well, I'm sure we'll get it all cleared up. Okay. Thank you.
That was dumb. Alright. So, oh. What do we have here? Hello?
Great.
What?
I can't read any of this shit.
I can help.
Yeah, thanks.
We look out for each other.
Don't overdo it. Buffkin, translate.
An exquisite design from the good china of Toad Hall.
Mr. Toad?
He probably wrote this in himself.
Of course he did. Hey.
This is the one. Where's this symbol from? Which family or story?
That's an odd one. Family name? Allerleirauh? I'll go look it up.
Alleleirer. That means every kind of fur in German.
Donkey skin.
Yes. What does it say?
Donkey skin girl, also known as donkey skin. Also known as... ass skin, prefers to go by the name Faith. Poetic?
Buffkin, we don't need the commentary.
The story of Donkey Skin. There was once a great king with a beautiful queen. The queen grew ill and had her husband promise to only marry the most beautiful girl in the kingdom. After a long search, it became clear that the only woman in the land that could match her beauty was... his daughter, Faith.
Ew. Ew. Gross.
She had a magic cloak made from the skin of her father's prized donkey that would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom. Eventually, she married a prince who could see past the magic cloak and knew her true beauty. And they lived happily ever after. Should I mark it, Miss Snow?
Yes. Please. And what's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
We got what we came for.
Yeah.
Her name's Faith. She was married to Prince Lawrence. I mean, that's more than
Her name was Faith.
Yeah.
We should talk to the husband.
You think he did it?
No, I don't. But we need to let him know about his wife.
That was quite the face there, Snow. Okay. There's more to look at. Sweet.
Any information on fables in our community will be somewhere in these books. We already know her name, but feel free to have a look if you like.
I think her name was Red. She didn't make it out. I bet Red Riding Hood doesn't miss me.
But she doesn't.
And him.
The woodsman?
Yep. And his axe.
I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be me.
Yeah, dwarves. Less said about that, the better.
Oh, creepy fuckers.
Beauty in happier days. And her man, Beast.
Y'all. Hey.
Colin and his brothers.
The three little piggies.
Yeah, that's her, all right. A long time ago.
What a fucked
I
thing.
haven't seen Badger around for a while.
He likes his privacy, I think.
I wish Toad would like his a bit more. Nice hat. Ichabod Crane. Scared shitless.
Of
What's
course he
that?
is.
Your boss. His finest moment. Hard to understand how he ended up running this place.
Pulling strings, bribing
Maybe it's
people,
time
you
it
know.
changed.
Same way all politics work. Is that it? That's it. Nothing new. Yep, nothing new apparently. Anything else in here that I would need to know? Oh, got that.
What's it say about that?
It says Bricklebit in an older elvish hand.
What's Bricklebit?
A magic word.
What's it do?
Makes animals shit gold.
That's amazing. We should have that nowadays.
Yes, from the Axe of the Woodsman, a druid blessing, actually.
Someone bless that thing.
I only translate.
Yeah, that's why it kicks ass.
What's that?
It reads, Mark of the House of the Frog Prince.
Not quite who I'm looking for.
Is that it? That looks like it. Alright. We go over to the mirror again. this? You gonna make me look at a desk again? Yup. Nothing going on there. How do you grab the lamp? Didn't do anything.
You know what this means?
Tarot is a backwards art. I wouldn't put too much stock in its wisdom, Bigby.
Not when you've been so helpful.
Prevision's muddy. I'm as clear as a window.
Oh, you're lame, dude.
Mirror, mirror, blah blah able, blah 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 about this fable.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Show me faith.
Through powerful magic, her whereabouts concealed. Unfortunately for you, these lips are sealed.
What?
These lips are sealed. It's not my choice of phrasing, Bigby. It's simply the way this has to be.
Weird. The fourth time I've heard that
Faith's
phrase.
father, the old king. Guess that crosses him off the suspect list.
Dead as dead can
He's
be.
a prince, I think. Show me Prince Lawrence. What's he been doing? Where is this?
Where's what?
Do you know where Prince Lawrence lives?
If he's a prince, probably relocated in the South Bronx. Yellow building, red window shutters.
Red frames.
Yep, that's the one. I can take us there.
Alright.
Nobody right now.
Anything we can use?
Yeah, that'll have to do for now.
Come on, we're going over there. Sorry, I have to get that. Hello, Woodland's business office. Yes, He is. Hold on. Bigby, it's for you.
Bigby, it's me, Toad. You there?
What do you want?
Bigby, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over here, Bigby, before he... Oh, well, hang on. Oi, shit. Hey!
What was that about?
Hard to say. Something going on over at Toad's place.
What about Faith's husband?
I don't know, I couldn't really tell. But he could be in trouble. And we should go there anyway to search her apartment. Toad might have to wait.
Whenever you're ready.
No decisions. What do I want to do, guys? What do I want to do? Am I going to Toad's? Am I going to Lawrence's? Decision.